Good day, sir. We are here to discuss the hardware troubleshooting.
Hardware troubleshooting. Learning of detecting identifying hardware faults. Troubleshooting tools. Documentation, fault and management. Learners should know about the process needed to troubleshoot common hardware problems as well as limitation involved. Trade. What is the hardware troubleshooting? Hardware troubleshooting is identifying and solving issues with the physical components of a system, such as a motherboard, the hard drive, the RAM, the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, or the keyboard. Failure to power on. Check the main, check the plug. Switch the main to check what part is not working. 5. Once the network cable to load. Memory, RAM. They can store temporarily on hard disk. Icon running that not needed. Hard disk full, not enough. Group to work. Backup. Possible virus.
Monitor troubleshooting. Try changing to main lead to see if it's the fuse or the monitor. Check to see if the menu buttons work. Try it into another PC. Printer troubleshooting. It is plug in. Look for the light to come on. Check the plug change to mains lead to test it. Google your flashing light out of paper change to toner. Print out to test page. Mouse troubleshooting. Is plugged in. Is there a light on it? It responds. Try a different. Net troubleshooting. Try a red cross. Plug in. Device located in tunnel. Device. Sires network. White code. Zero. File it benefits it. Monitor card in change configurations pick a button. Sound volume. Sound card. Headphone. Speaker broken. Plug it with the correct green socket. It is the volume up. Mute. Check device manager.
Setup troubleshooting. Safe mode runs the machine with all it needs to use. This does not connect its as well as its good signal. Hard to it should view the result. Have and this possible hard error. Usually physical errors. Troubleshooting documentation. This could be Task Manager, Blue Screen Viewer, works out what causes it to crash. Ends program. Process Explorer gives a lot more detail to trace problems. You may need some documentation to go through a checklist of what you have found works and what doesn't. Conclusion. In conclusion, a computer system is a complex combination of hardware and software, components that work together to perform various tasks. The hardware components include the physical parts of the computer, such as motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard drive, and more. Troubleshooting hardware issues involves identifying and resolving problems with these physical components, which can be caused by faulty hardware, improper connections, or compatibility issues. By understanding the basic principles of computer hardware and following systematic troubleshooting steps. Users can effectively diagnose and resolve hardware issues to ensure the smooth operation of their computer system. Thank you.
No, minus na.
Balik ang buwan.